How to unpin Instagram post. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, please subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Go ahead and open your Instagram app and log into your account. And once you do that, click on your profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. And then go ahead and click on the post that you want to unpin. Say for example this one, I have already pinned it on my feed. So what you need to do here is you need to click on the three vertical dots at the top right of the post. And from the pop-up menu list at the bottom, click on the second option that says Unpin from Profile. Once you do that, the pinned post will now be unpinned, as you can see right here. And that's it. That's how you can unpin any post from your Instagram feed. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.